So if a burr breaks and you have to change the burr, if it's during the process, sometimes you'll see well, if it happens, you see the red, like inside will be red, and then you have a message saying that you have to change the burr, there's a defective burr, something like that. So you make sure when you have to change that, make sure that the mill is on. So come here to this symbol, here, configuration, parameters, oh sorry, not parameters, devices, select the mill, change instruments. And then you go to the mill and change there. I'll show how to do that. Okay, so once you set up there at the scanner, come here, open, and then you get this. So this one here, from this side, the step bur 12S is for the left side. And this one, the cylinder pointed burr 12S, is for the right side. So you get these two here, put it there, turn to remove, got stuck. Then you will take a new one here, put it there. In the case, well, I'm not gonna do it because it's just showing. So, but then you will put the new one here, and then you'll lock it. You turn it clockwise until you hear the click. Close it, and then here you have to accept. So say change. So for step burr 12S, start. There you go. Okay, that's it. And then you will do the same thing with the other side if you need to, right? And then once you change there, here, you go exit. And then you can just restart. If it's during a mill process, you just say resume, and then to start again.